Hello, boys and girls, children of all ages and adults, and whoever maybe else I didn't include. Since my last video hit YouTube and I turned into a sensation, people have been wanting to know about rattlesnake, slug, lightning bolt, the mystery behind me. Who is this weird creature? Yes, weird I am, I know. And why I am so dangerous, I'm quick to strike. Well, it all started about 10 years ago, when I was born into this cruel world. No one to love me, no one to hug me, because when I get excited, I tell you, my little thing back here starts wiggling real fast. And when that happens, I tend to get a little excited and I tend to shake all over. My whole world goes real crazy and I bite everything real fast. And it's the only thing that settles me back to where I feel normal. But I've been on these pills called ganachos. They help me calm down. But sometimes I forget to take them because I smoke a lot of pot. And when that happens, I get real crazy. Oh. I've killed my mother, my father, my brothers, my sisters. It all happened on my birthday. They all got me presents. I got excited. And that was the end of them. I feel very remorseful. I'm very sorry. Yes. So there you have it. There's the myth behind lightning bolt, rattlesnake, slug. That's my real name, by the way. In no particular order, 'cause I like to say it many different ways. But that's me.